In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where Roblox thinks you are playing on a mobile device even though you are on a PC. The first thing you should do is disable your device touchscreen if your computer has one. To do that, search for a device manager. After it appears, launch it. Now look under human interface devices for something like HID compliant touchscreen. Once you find it, right click on it and select disable. Then close out and test Roblox again. If the problem continues, open the Windows search bar again and type services. Open it. Now here you're going to find a list of options. Press W to scroll to Windows Pen and Ink service. Once you find it, right click it, choose stop. Then go to properties and set the startup type to disabled and click apply. After that, you'll want to reinstall Roblox. For that, you'll need to close this, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option Installed Apps, search for Roblox. After it appears, you'll need to click on three dots and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, restart your PC, reinstall Roblox and check if it works normally, and that's it. This is how you can easily fix this issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.